Hi guys, thank you for 70 subscribers. I know that's a little bit, but I'm still grateful for that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. And if my subscribers wait, I forgot what to say, but thank you so much again. Thank you so much again. I'm so happy right now. Happy. Happy. Good night. Good night or good morning. If it's morning, then good morning. But if it's night, then good night. Love you guys. Bye bye.